Picture this, a real fungus already turns living ants into mindless zombies, forcing them to climb, freeze, and explode with spores. And scientists say the only reason it hasn't come for us yet is our own body heat. Now imagine that fungus mutating, jumping species, and colliding with the Marvel Universe's most infamous outbreak, Marvel zombies. Could you actually survive it? Let's find out using real biology. Real cordyceps fungus already zombifies ants, hijacking their brains and forcing them to climb before bursting out spores. But it can't touch us because our body temperature runs too hot for it to survive. Marvel zombie outbreak swaps that fungus for the hunger, a supernatural virus that spreads through bites and even devours cosmic entities, which is where real biology and comic lore split hard. So the first survival question is transmission. Does this virus spread like a prion or like a bite-based pathogen? Prions are terrifyingly different from viruses or fungi. They're just misfolded proteins with no DNA, meaning they can't be killed by heat, alcohol, or normal disinfectants, and they spread through contaminated tissue or surgical equipment rather than air or casual contact. If Marvel zombie plague behaved like a prion disease, quarantine alone wouldn't save you. You'd need to avoid all bodily fluid contact and destroyed brain tissue exposure full stop. Real-world outbreak response leans on rapid isolation, because unlike fungal spores, prions can't just be bombed away. Destroying infected material tends to spread contamination rather than eliminate it. So could you actually survive? Your best strategy borrows from real epidemiology. Minimize bite and fluid contact, isolate immediately at first symptom, and prioritize a defensible, low-traffic location over open combat. Among Marvel heroes, healing factor characters like Wolverine are actually the worst bet, since zombie transmission overrides regeneration in the comics. Your safest allies are ranged, non-contact fighters like Hawkeye or Cyclops, who can neutralize threats without ever touching infected fluids. The real lesson from both cordyceps and prion science is the same. In any biological outbreak, distance and containment beat brute strength every time, which is exactly why the smartest heroes in Marvel zombies aren't the strongest. They're the ones who never get bitten in the first place.